Hi there. Have you been trying to learn Android for some time now? Have you been going through tons of blogs, online video tutorials here on YouTube and finding it difficult to learn it in an organized way? These were the exact or similar issues that I had faced when I had started to learn Android development. This is why I have started CodeTutor. The main idea was to create organized, comprehensive yet succinct, good quality video tutorials for Android which are accessible to all for free of cost. I have organized the content in correct order so that any beginner can learn them in the correct order. Almost all videos have theory and hands-on coding components. I will be publishing 2 videos every week, and as I progress, I will be covering even more advanced topics in Android development. In the long run, CodeTutor will not be about just Android. I have already started Swift tutorials along with Android, and in future you can expect more diversified content. So feel free to visit the channel, click on the bell icon to get notified, and don't forget to subscribe.